In order to add or delete staff members and add or delete students, you'll need to first go to your Manage window. Only school leaders should be adding or deleting students and adding or deleting staff members. So what you want to do we'll start with staff, to add or delete staff members. You want to make sure that the drop-down menu here is we're going to do students first. So you want to make sure the drop-down menu here is selected with students. And you want to make sure that the drop-down menu on the left is aligned to your school. So I'll use Nashville Northeast as an example. So it changed here to classes, see? And I'm going to have to change it back to students. And if you'd like to add a student, all you need to do is click Add. Fill out the requisite information, including their date of birth and ID number, which can be found on the student information system, and click Add. The student will show up immediately. In order to remove a student, you simply need to search for the student, make sure their radio button by their name is clicked, and then hit delete. And then it's going to ask you to confirm or no, and then that student will disappear. If you need to add or delete staff, you're going to move from school system to users. Again, in order to add staff, you're just going to click Add, give them a username. We are using first initial and last name, and then we don't want AimsWeb to auto-generate the password. We want their password to be Rocketship with a capital R and then the number 1 at the end. You want to select school as the organizational unit. You'll then select your school, and then you will select either manager or reporter. Managers have more privileges when it comes to modifying student progress monitoring schedules, so we typically select manager. Then put their first and last name, their email address, and the phone number of the school. Once you click Add, the staff member will be added immediately. In order to delete a staff member, you first should search for them. Make sure you're searching under Rocketship Education. Don't search under your school name because some people have access to all schools. So you just want to go ahead and type either if you know their username or if you need to type their first or last name in the name box. Either way will bring up their account. And then if you click on the radio button by their account, you can click delete and it should delete them. I can't be deleted because I'm in my own account right now. So let's try. I just want to show you an example of what it looks like when someone needs to be deleted. So when you want to delete someone, you'll just highlight their name with the radio button on the left, click delete. Again, you'll be asked to confirm whether or not you want to delete the user, and then they'll immediately be deleted. If a user is associated with progress monitoring schedules, so for example, if I click on Crystal Lee, I know she's associated with progress monitoring schedules because it will not let me delete her. In order to be able to delete the user, you need to disassociate them with all progress monitoring schedules. If you need help with that, you can email aimswebhelp@rsed.org.